In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the sprinter start exercise, and I'm going to be showing you variation number 3 of the sprinter start. So variation number 3 is the hardest, most powerful and dynamic variation, and it would be a progression of variation number 1 and 2. So the actual position for starting off the sprinter start is exactly the same. The difference is that you're going to be bringing one leg back, one leg's forwards, and as opposed to variation number 2, where you went up into hip flexion on one side and on the other did a calf raise, you're actually going to be exploding forwards and then bringing yourself back and exploding forwards, bringing yourself back. So let me show you what that looks like. So once you're standing directly underneath the TRX, the foam handles are below your hips at the top of the quadriceps, so at the top of the front of the thigh. You bring both straps underneath the armpits. Once you've done that on both sides, these foam handles go to your chest. And what you're going to do is you're going to do exactly the same as sprinter start variation number 2, where you come up into hip flexion on one side, but I want you to watch my left foot and what it does here. So watch very carefully how I jump forwards on my left foot as I bring my right hip into flexion. So I'm coming up into that calf raise as quickly as possible, but I'm jumping and stopping quickly. So I'm accelerating quickly onto the forefoot and toes, then decelerating as I then come up into hip flexion. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that would be how to do sprinter start variation number 3.